Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. This is a special episode. We are going to show you how to migrate your PMPs, your pre-mint passes. So for those of you that picked up a pre-mint pass specifically on Cardano's blockchain, so if you do get something out of this video, smash a like button, subscribe, and comment whatever questions you have down below. I just wanted to say congratulations to all of you that did pick up a pre-mint pass. And for those of you that did not, there are still opportunities right now. You can participate in the MELD staking. You can stake to the DEGA ISPO. I've done videos on this, so check it out in the channel. Don't worry, there's more to come. If you feel like you missed out, that's completely normal. I missed out on some of the best ISPOs, but I did get in MELD. I got in DEGA. So again, congratulations for those of you that did get in. To start off, let's answer exactly what is happening. If you were someone that minted the pre-mint pass, so if you go to the channel, I did a video and we're gonna put DEGA pre-mint, okay? And this is the video right here. It was around 8 months ago, the DEGA NFT pre-mint pass tutorial. So in that video, I showed you step-by-step how to mint your pre-mint pass. If you minted a Cardano Hero pre-mint pass, the cost was 38.1 ADA. So I have B-roll from a previous video that I shot. So it's definitely really cool to look back. The DEGA NFT pre-mint pass, that's the name of the video. You will need to access your Telegram. I've got this right on my phone, and that's going to be the first step. Make sure that you log in to your Telegram. Make sure this is the exact same Telegram that you used when you purchased your pre-mint pass. The second step is to connect your wallet. So what we're going to do is go to the DEGA Realms Elements link. So click on that in the link tree that I have for you. One thing to note is that you're going to need to set collateral. Make sure that you have enough Lovelace, enough ADA to cover your transaction cost. So we're going to go to the top right, connect the wallet. And this can be any NAMI wallet. This does not have to be the same wallet that you used to buy your NFT. So I'm going to hit connect, and now it's connected. And I found that it did not work with the hardware wallet. But if we take a look at my NAMI, here you can see Mitch NAMI. I got 13 ADA, not much in there. And that's the wallet we're going to use. In step 3, all you're going to do now is migrate your PMP. So make sure that you have your phone / Telegram on hand. You can also do this with your desktop, not a big deal. And make sure that you have your wallet connected. So here we are going to go to airdrop. Okay, so I've already migrated mine. So I took a screenshot of how I did that. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So click on migrate PMP. And what you're going to notice here is a stake address. You're going to see Cardano. So once you see this pop up, what it wants you to do is plug in your ID. So this is going to be a number. And all you have to do, it even says at the bottom, if you do not know how to find your Telegram, use the DEGA battle bot. So you're going to put in -user. So on my screen, on my phone, I took some screenshots. You are going to type in -user. So once you do that, for me, I'm going to see my username in my Telegram ID. Then when you put in your number, you will see this page. After you do that, you wait a few minutes and you're going to notice your golden supernova. And what's great about this, if you go to rewards, you're going to notice that you get the rewards with Blessing. So this is the gold, and this is going to be with Blessing. So it's 146,000. I've got 2 of them. So that's going to be almost 300,000 DEGA. So if we go to Elements, you're going to look at View Details. If you look at the chart closely, you're going to notice golden, $50 value, supernova, and that's quite rare. It's less than 1%. That's where you get the 146,000 DEGA tokens. So far, I've been very impressed. I don't know what the price of a single DEGA token will be, but right now you can participate in different ISPOs. So if you're holding MELD, you can stake your MELD to the DEGA ISPO. I have a video on that. If you've already done so with Cardano, this is all coming. So when are you going to be able to get your tokens? That's a big question. So I know a lot of you are wondering, hey, I've taken a look, how do I claim, etc. So if you go to airdrop, you're going to click on your NFT, you're going to hit claim. And what you're going to notice is it failed to claim the element. That's because the token is not claimable yet. So if we go to this link, you're going to notice, scroll all the way down. If we zoom in on this article here, you're going to notice that the token generation event is for May 30th of 2024. So that is pretty cool. It's happening sooner than later. You are supposedly going to be able to claim 10% of your tokens on that date. So again, that is May 30th of 2024 of this year. So March, April, May, a couple months. So on May 30th, it's going to be 10%, and the remaining of the tokens that you can claim will be over 8 months. So they have a vested period. That's so that nobody just dumps all the tokens and so on. That brings us to the end of this episode of Crypto Moose. I hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have not done so already, check out the link tree. I've worked very hard at updating this. So click on the DEGA Realms ELEMENT NFT link. In there, if you take a look, you can check out the silver, the golden, obsidian, whatever it may be. So definitely very generous what we're getting for the pre-mint passes. So if you view the details, you can see here that there are huge opportunities to pick up some tokens. Again, you can also participate in the ISPO. So with that being said, the moose is loose. You can also pick up a hardware wallet. We've got links for the Tangem, the Trezors, whatever it may be, and that will help you out a lot going forward. So we will see you in the next one.